Okay, for our second clip, I'm going to take you through the process of accessing our course page and reviewing the different functions that are on D2L for our course. First thing that you want to do is open your browser, and you're going to want to use Internet Explorer. When you log into WaveNet, your screen is going to look slightly different than this, but what you will see at the top, you probably already know this, is a link that says My Courses. So you click on that link, then really you can click on any class and it will take you to the D2L homepage. Now if you've got this video, you've probably already gotten at least this far. But when you select our course, you'll be taken to the home screen. If I have any important announcements to make, they'll show up in the news category that's right here in the middle. Most of the stuff that you're going to want to access can be taken from the content page. So that's the second icon on the yellow menu bar. When you click on content, this is the editing view that I get to see as a professor. Your version is going to look a bit more like this. When you click on any of these links, the screen's going to change a bit. You're going to get a navigational menu on the left hand side that has the entire course, and then course content is going to show up in the middle of the screen. Most of the files are set up where they will display in the screen right here. A couple of places there are external hyperlinks that will actually pop open in a new window. The important thing to remember is that everything can be accessed from this left-hand side. I've tried to organize it in a logical manner for you. The first part of the content menu goes through all the different course content. So like through here you have the different assignment guides for how to write the different essays and the requirements for them. Then down past that you've got how to turn in the assignments. Some of them are done over email, others are done through Cengage Enhanced Insight, which is the textbook website that's provided with you with the pin code. So there are a couple of different ways that you could run through the course. You could just download the master schedule and the syllabus and follow the instructions on the schedule and syllabus. But what I've tried to do for you, if you go down far enough, is organize the course week by week. So when you click on any one week, you're going to get the schedule for that week and what all you need to complete. And this is probably what you want to do, because below each section I'm going to have content for you to read, extra information about whatever subject area we're studying, and I'm going to have quick links to different places that you need to go. For example, if you need to turn in an assignment on Insight, I'll have a hyperlink to Insight embedded for that week. For example, the first week you have a discussion board post due. So if you simply select discussion board post 1, that post is going to open up for you in that same window. Now let's go back up to the top yellow menu bar. The third link is the discussions link. You can also access the discussion board post from here, along with the general course discussion and Q&A. If you have any questions, that's a good place to leave them. As we move along, you're going to see other icons along the top that you're not really going to need. You can pretty well ignore the Dropbox and the quizzes. If you click on class list, you can see a link to everybody's name that's in the class. You've got an icon here that you can email an individual user after you check next to them. Notice that I'm also located on here as well, so you can always check this and hit email and email me via that route. The next link is going to be grades. Now what you will see will look a little bit different than me. Notice everybody's name's listed on here and nobody has anything marked. For example, if you're Angel Allen, whenever you click on this link, Angel's only going to see her grades, and they'll be entered out on a points basis. So you can always keep a track of wherever you're at. One final note about D2L that a lot of people don't realize. If you move over to the right hand side at the top, see this gray icon? That's actually a pager tool. So if you want to send someone an instant text message, you can do that. What you would want to do is go back to that class list, and if you see a person that has a little green dot next to their name, that means that they are online. So you can check this box and hit the pager tool and actually send them an instant message. If you see me online like this, you can always send me a question that way. That's the basics of D2L. Have fun exploring all the stuff that's under the content page. There's a lot of stuff that I didn't show you that's here. And in the next video we'll go through navigating Enhanced Insight.